Elon Musk, the billionaire investor and tech mogul, just announced that IDRA delivered 9,000 tons of Giga Press, which changes everything. Elon Musk is well known as the visionary CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. But did you know that he is also working on something that could radically alter the manufacturing industry? It's called the IDRA, and it's just delivered its first 9,000 tons of Gigapress. This enormous machine is unlike anything else in existence, and it has the potential to alter how we manufacture everything from automobiles to buildings. Stay tuned till the end of today's video because we'll explore everything about the IDRA and what it could mean for the future of manufacturing. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The IDRA Group of Italy is responsible for the production of a series of aluminum die casting machines, known as the Gigapress program. With a clamping force that ranges from 55,000 to 61,000 kilonewtons, these die casting machines are famous for being the largest high-pressure die casting machines that are currently in production. The weight of each machine is between 410 and 430 tons. The ultra-large gigapresses and giga casting machines that Tesla uses are supplied by the IDRA Group, which is a supplier for the automobile manufacturer. IDRA has shared a video on their website that shows a massive casting machine being constructed at the end of October. This film was uploaded to YouTube as well as the other social media channels that are associated with this company. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, put an end to the rumors when he confirmed that the world's first 9,000-ton Gigapress is in fact for the Cybertruck body. This video began to build a conversation momentum inside the online Tesla community. IDRA is the first company in the world to already be producing parts for the automotive body in white sector using Gigapress technologies. This breakthrough completely changes the way car body structure is manufactured, drastically cutting down the amount of time and money required for assembly. IDRA is the first company to build machines for structural elements with many years of experience, including magnesium components, and it focuses on producing powerful and sophisticated machines for demanding markets such as the automotive industry. This industry is one of IDRA's primary areas of concentration. Today, IDRA manufactures the largest equipment in the world, die-casting machines with capacities of 8,000 and 9,000 tons, which are being utilized to hasten the transition toward electric and hybrid vehicles on a global scale. IDRA was the first company to obtain manufacturing orders for machines with a capacity of 9,000 tons that are suitable for the SUV and compact truck sectors. Even in this instance, IDRA got the ball rolling early on these projects, which appeared to be unattainable at the time, but can today produce gigapresses with delivery periods that are very common. Now, before we talk more about the 9K-ton Gigapress, it's important to understand its principle of operation, components, and its role in the manufacturing process. Die casting involves pouring molten metal alloy into a reusable mold, then opening the mold once the piece has set to remove it. The open mold is cooled to 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit and cleaned by robots. And 12 minutes after the first cycle, fresh molten aluminum is prepared for the next cycle. Each new casting is cut to an approximation of its final size, measured, inspected for flaws, and then sent for CNC machining to its final dimensions. Aluminum ingots and offcuts are melted in a melting oven powered by natural gas and operating at 850 degrees Celsius until liquid for the Tesla Gigapress-based casting operation. Slag in the form of aluminum oxide is physically removed from the surface, and the remaining liquid metal is pushed through heated pipes into an enclosed 750 to 850 degrees Celsius 400 kilowatt electrically heated warming oven. To prevent the production of oxides, the molten aluminum is surrounded by a blanket of nitrogen gas, which is cycled to maintain an equal temperature. Argon gas and a rotary degasser are employed to remove impurities, while a silicon carbide filter removes the majority of particles larger than 25 microns. In order to facilitate separation, robots spray 35 milliliters of soybean oil into each half of the mold at the beginning of each casting cycle. The mold is sealed, and a low vacuum of 50 millibars is formed by pushing air out. A precise amount of molten metal is pushed from the holding oven into the casting chamber of the Gigapress at 750 degrees Celsius, and is then pressed into the mold using a high-speed plunger and 8 milliliters of extra lubrication. At 400 degrees Celsius, the mold is broken and the raw casting is extracted. A robot removes the casting and places it in a quenching tank to lower its temperature from 400 to 50 degrees Celsius. The approximate margins are trimmed using a mechanical trim press, and extra aluminum is recycled back into the melting oven. The remaining serviceable portion of the casting is X-rayed to examine the internal structure, laser trimmed, drilled for fittings, and computer measured for precision. Tesla's rear casting dies for the Model Y have 4 known visible components. 2 large traditional facing dies arranged vertically with injection from the bottom of the stationary die. 2 smaller side wedging dies that move inward for injection and outward for extraction. The front casting hints at a similar die layout, with perhaps a 5th wedging die beneath for the front-facing vehicle crash rail attachment. According to our information, the casting aluminum alloy used in the large Tesla chassis parts is primarily an aluminum 89.5% silicone, 8.5% mix, plus several other trace elements, falling within the categorization of Aluminum Association Alloy, AA386. On March 16, 2021, IDRA Group reported that Tesla had placed its first order for an 8,000-ton Giga casting machine, and that the company had begun work on the project. However, the general manager of IDRA Group, Ricardo Ferrario, acknowledged in a video message at the time that this 8,000-ton version is for the huge underbody castings of the Cybertruck, not the body of the electric pickup truck. After a few days, a drone video of the Tesla Giga Texas building site revealed that the company had already installed the foundations for the 8,000-ton Cybertruck underbody Giga casting machines. As Elon Musk stated in a tweet, the new 9,000-ton Giga casting machine by IDRA is not for the Cybertruck underbody castings. Rather, it is for the Cybertruck body shell. The cockpit of the pickup truck is built into the exoskeleton unibody shell of the Cybertruck's body. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, had already disclosed this information at the Cybertruck's 2019 debut. Due to the exterior shell of the Cybertruck's body being formed of 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, a Gigapress of vast size was required to create this unibody. Because it is difficult to shape or form a sheet of hardened stainless steel, we now have the 9,000-ton Gigapress. At the start of 2021, Elon Musk said, "With our giant casting machines, we are literally trying to make full-size cars in the same way that toy cars are made. Possibly, this new trend in automotive manufacturing will begin with the creation of Cybertrucks, employing a 9,000-ton Gigapress to create the unibody. In a few weeks, IDRA plans to unveil this enormous machine in its entirety." Tesla's facilities are already utilizing the 6,000-ton Giga casting equipment to make Model Y front and rear underbody single-piece castings. These are the largest Giga casting machines currently utilized for mass automobile manufacture. Next year, hopefully, we will be able to observe the new 8,000-ton and 9,000-ton versions of these massive casting machines in operation at Tesla Giga Texas as Cybertruck manufacturing begins at this facility. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, announced last month that the manufacturer is busy creating the Cybertruck production line. "We are constructing a Cybertruck production line in Giga, Texas." It was a happy announcement for the many Cybertruck reservation holders who have been monitoring Tesla's production progress since the program's delay. Musk claimed that he should be driving a beta Cybertruck prototype within the next few weeks. Per Tesla's reiteration that it aims to begin production By mid-2023, automobile manufacturers are observing Tesla's approach to casting. So far, Tesla's investment in larger cast parts has been tremendously profitable. The manufacturer was able to construct the Model Y with a single rear body panel that replaced 70 separate components, and it is doing the same for the front underbody. This significantly streamlines the production process and cuts expenses. As a result of the success of Tesla's incorporation of massive casting technology, a number of other automakers are eager to follow in its footsteps. IDRA reported last year that a half-dozen additional automakers are in discussions to embrace the technology, but it may be years before they can use it in their vehicle programs. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks for watching. So, what do you think about the possible impact of this new Gigapress on the production speed of Tesla's Cybertruck? Will it improve or not? Will it be successful or not? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here, which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.